For sale. A 19th century architectural masterpiece. Located on the Scottish borders. It offers 18 bedrooms and 13 bathrooms. Portmore House is a Category A-list Scots baronial mansion designed in 1850. Set within 274 acres of landscaped gardens, farmland, woodland and parkland. Approached by a sweeping tree-lined drive, the house immediately impresses with its red sandstone facade, crowstep gables and turrets. The interiors are elegant and expansive, with grand reception rooms, drawing room, dining room, library and organ room, along with a welcoming kitchen and a series of ancillary rooms. Additional areas include a billiard room, wine cellars, playroom and a two-bedroom flat with its own independent access. The gardens are a highlight of the estate. The walled garden has been carefully restored and features a Victorian glasshouse, while a parterre with a stone canal and fountain, a water garden, and woodland walks add to the setting. The estate also includes a traditional one-bedroom stone lodge, a modernised cottage, and a keeper's house. The asking price of this 19th century architectural masterpiece is £5 million. This is one of the most significant country houses in the Scottish borders, combining architectural heritage, scale and privacy in an exceptional setting. Thank you for watching.